Hello. Today will be presenting my math final. Our math final, we had to write a paper and we also had to present a PowerPoint. So today I will be presenting my PowerPoint for Algebra 2. Alright, guys ready? Alright. How does the ideal help us make sense of the imperfect? That was our essential question. And basically, the project was around exponential models and logarithms. Alright, so I will present my PowerPoint to you guys. And today, I will be talking about my utopia. In English class, I created a utopia, and it's basically my perfect world. And I love music, so I chose no other than to do Lyrical Island's Growing Population by me, the designer Tamika Ballantyne. My purpose of choosing this project to do, and why am I doing it? In algebra class, I have been learning about exponential functions and logarithm models. We also need to know how the two models relate to real life examples. So today, I will discover how the population will grow on my utopia, Lyrical Island. But wait a minute. First, let's find out, what are exponential and logarithm models? Let's see. In math, the logarithms of a number to a given base is the power of the exponent to which the base must be raised in order to produce a number. Logarithm functions and exponential functions are connected to one another. So you have to have one another. They're similar, but they're also different. They are connected to one another in that they are inverse of each other. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Just a few facts about Lyrical Island. It is a place where music never dies. It is a very small population of 45,000. 45,000 people live there, roughly. Well, recently, some people want to know, in 10 years, how many people will be living there? And they want to know, they picked a number randomly, 5,000, and they want to know, to get 5,000 more people, how long would it take? So today, we will explore that. Alright? Let's see. My calculations, right? So, 50,000 is where we want to get first. That's what we want to get if we get 5,000. So this part, this is where the people, they want to know how long would it take for them to get 5,000 more. 45,000, that's where we at, right? But 50,000 is where we want to get. So we are going to use the formula that we got. It was P equals PO parentheses 1 plus R to T. So we're going to put 45,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.2 T. The 0.2, that's the 2% that it grows each year over 45,000. Then I solved it, right? Alright, let me see. And it will be, I cross out the 45,000, both 45,000s, and now I have 1.09 equals 1.02 T, right? So, our T is now the big T, right? So it'll be T equals log 1.02, which is that. 1.09 equals log 1.09 over log 1.02. So after doing that, I found that I had to use logs. First I used the exponential, and then I had to use the logs. So it will take 4 years to let Lyrical Island get 5,000 more people. So basically, people that lives in Lyrical Island, guys, it will take 4 years for you to get 5,000 more people to add to your population. Alright? Now, our next one. We also wanted to know, in 10 years, how many people would there be? So, this was basically easy. I just plugged it into the calculator, and it was P equals 45,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.2 to the 10th power equals 55,464 people. So, in 10 years, guys, you will have 55,464 people there. Right? Now, I know that exponential models will work. Trying to find population is a great example. So, today, I learned that in finding logarithms and exponentials, it can be used in so many ways. You can use it in engineering, you can use it in finance, you can use it in so many things. But the most popular one to find your logarithm and exponential models, you usually use it in trying to find population. So, that is the end of my project. So, I will be signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hopefully I get a good grade. Who knows? But I'm signing off.